Hey guys, what's up? So I've been to Angelo's pet store and I was talking to him for about an hour. So we got some little beetles that we're going to feed to my teas in just a bit. Okay, so I proudly introduce you to Medusa, the Poecilotheria pederseni ghost ornamental. Yeah, she's right here. It looks to be a nice size. Probably 5 or 6 inches. So this is the female that we're going to be mating with Alfred, my mature male. Give a little overview of her. Yeah, that's her. Genota de lack the yellow warding legs is the P. regalis. And she's awesome. So we're going to be mating in a few days. Probably likely this Friday. So that's good. So do you think, guys, she's a breedable size? I believe so. Awesome. Alright, I do have very bad lighting in my bedroom, so we're going to give one to my P. formosa. Salem ornamental. If I can just get a grip on it. There we go. Oh, sweet. That's got to be a good. Awesome. Alright, now we'll get one more. Alright, last roach is going to my P. Miranda. Bengal spotted ornamental. She got it. Awesome. And some other news. We checked the avic that was there at the pet store, and it's actually a female. So I reserved it, and when it next molts, we're just going to confirm our conclusion, and if it is, I'm going to buy it. So if you enjoy this awesome Pokey video, and we're going to be mating is probably as soon as Friday. Alright guys, take care.